Greetings and welcome back. Today we have some updates that the SAS University edition that I have already talked about before in a few videos that I will list in the description box has now been changed to be called SAS OnDemand for Academics. And as you can read in this screen now, SAS released this note saying that SAS OnDemand for Academics has replaced SAS University Edition as the primary software choice for learners. SAS University Edition will be unavailable for download after 30th of April 2021, and access to the software for current users will end August 2nd, 2021. Individual learning as well as university educators and students can check out SAS OnDemand for Academics today for free access to SAS. Basically, at this time, we are in May, you cannot download SAS University Edition anymore, and you should be shifting to SAS OnDemand for Academics, and that if you already have SAS University Edition that you already downloaded from before and still using it, the use of SAS University Edition will end in August 2nd, 2021. So maybe it's worthwhile exploring SAS OnDemand for Academics and see how much has changed. I actually have done that, but I will make another video to show you what's the difference between SAS University Edition and SAS OnDemand for Academics. Both can be used by educators, professors, researchers, and students. Both offer free access to SAS base code and all the codes that you have got used to using in SAS University Edition. And so the only difference between the two so far is that SAS University Edition requires you to download a huge file, more than a gigabyte of file, and install locally on your machine. Whereas SAS OnDemand for Academics does not require you to download any software. It will run remotely and you'll have a portal to use. That's the difference between SAS University Edition and SAS OnDemand for Academics. I will very soon prepare a tutorial for using SAS OnDemand for Academics that I will upload before the end of the SAS University Edition on August 2nd, 2021. And I will be able to explore SAS OnDemand for Academics, what has changed, how different it is from SAS University Edition, and what you can do about it, and how can you make use of it. I hope to see you next time. If you like this video, please press the like button and also help us out by subscribing. Thank you and take good care. Goodbye.